I am Mayra Ferreira, and these are the news most important of the day. Colombian food is one of the richest meals in the world, and then we will see a recipe for a delicious Colombian breakfast.
Colombian breakfast by Mayra Ferreira. Ingredients: flour, cheese, oil, eggs, tomatoes, onion, coffee, milk, sugar, orange, ice. Preparation: add flour, salt, and grated cheese in a cup. We make a mess. Assemble the arepas and put them to roast on a stick. Chop the tomato and the onion. Put it to soak in a little oil. Add the beaten eggs and stir until they take the desired consistency. Put in a pot to boil the milk. Add coffee powder and sugar and stir.
Michigan State student Suez claims school ignored rape by basketball players.
Michigan State University journalism student who says she has raped by 3 basketball players sued the school on Monday, claiming that she was discouraged by counselors from reporting the 2015 attack to police. The woman, who was 18 at the time and is identified only as Jane Doe, in the U.S. District Court lawsuit also claimed that MSU had a de facto policy of suppressing sexual assault allegations against its sports star.
Authorities held reconciliation in Colombia's farmer conflict zones.
Tourism has become a tool for reconciliation in areas where violence has dropped after the mobilization of the FARC, Colombia's largest former guerrilla group. Economic website Portafolio talked to tourism officials in the 3 departments where a reduction in armed conflict has allowed both victims and former guerrillas to embark on tourist initiatives. This hasn't been easy, according to biologist Fernando Hoyos, who is helping communities in the southern Caquetá province to set up ecotourism initiatives.
Ferrari mechanic gives thumbs up in hospital after double leg break surgery following horror Kimi Raikkonen crash.
The Ferrari mechanic was offered a double leg break after being hit by Kimi Raikkonen. Cars has given the thumbs up in hospital. Francisco Cigarini underwent surgery and hospital on Sunday after a botched pit stop during the Bahrain Grand Prix finish. Driver Raikkonen was given the green light to go but hit Cigarini as they pulled away.
The Avengers Infinity War, it is a movie with a very appropriate name, as this relates the revenge that has a group of superheroes against evil. If I could put another name to this movie, I put Heroes in the Attack, because that's what makes this group of superheroes attacking evil. Its world premiere was on April 23, 2018. It's a movie of action. The locations were excellent because in the movie the protagonist travels through time. This film tells the history of a group of superheroes who are engaged in fighting evil. The characters who participate in this movie did a good job. There are no more or less important than another. Everyone did a good role, each one in his own. I identify with Thor because he is almost the leader of the 10 wants to protect everyone at the expense of anything.